Icon meets icon after several decades. BRABUS Classic rediscovered the original Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing painted by Andy Warhol. Through the BRABUS 6-star restoration, our team of experts brought every last screw of this historic motorsports legend back to life. In 1986, Daimler-Benz commissioned legendary pop art icon Andy Warhol to produce a series of original artworks to tell the story of the automobile. Infused with Warhol's signature style, striking color schemes and unmistakable passion, the now world-renowned Cars series was born, which even in its incomplete state immortalized a wide range of historic classics like never before. In the book, Frank Olsky, Series Sports Cars from 1945 to 1980, Andy Warhol found his first motif. Pictured in large format on pages 94 and 95 in front of a vast landscape. A Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing with a chassis number 198. 040 to 5,500,629 and license plate A, DR1. At BRABUS Classic, every car tells a story. This story is truly unique. It is the original. The one and only. The very car Andy Warhol selected to merge the worlds of revolutionary pop art and automotive history. Today, after 500 hours of work and expert attention to detail as part of the BRABUS 6-star restoration, this piece of automotive and modern art history once again shines in the same timeless elegance it made famous when it first rolled off the production line nearly 70 years ago. Experience history. Experience the spirit of avant-garde. Bodywork. Inspiring. Iconic. Timeless. The BRABUS 6-star restoration is a process defined at its core by authenticity and immaculate attention to detail. With pinpoint precision, the iconic lightweight tube frame as well as every inch of the bodywork was brought back to life, accentuated by extravagant chrome elements and a breathtaking finish. No other car in the world is as timelessly elegant, as striking and unmistakable. With a brand new coat of paint in the 300 SL's original color, this legendary sports classic is once again ready to continue telling its truly remarkable story on the road. Engine and technical equipment restored to perfection. Under the hood of this fully 6-star restored automobile and modern art legend, the avant-garde meets unmistakable performance. At its heart, the iconic 3.0-liter straight-six delivering 215 horsepower. Every single bolt and every component of the 300 SL's engine configuration and powertrain has been restored in accordance with all original specifications and with unmatched precision. The result is a truly unique dream car that is as reliable as it is stunning, no matter where the journey of your dreams may take you. Interior. One-of-a-kind elegance. Since 1977, the BRABUS Classic name has been synonymous with incomparable elegance, craftsmanship inspired by a strive for perfection and an unwavering passion for detail. Inside, the interior design specialists of the BRABUS saddlery completely restored the interior of the 300 SL true to the original. After almost 70 years, all leather and fabric materials as well as all chrome accent elements in the cockpit of the icon impress with the same immaculate quality as they once did in 1955. So you can feel right at home on your tour through history. Andy Warhol's artwork source. Andy Warhol Cars. 1986. Mercedes-Benz Art Collection Copyright 2022 The Andy Warhol Foundation for the Visual Arts. Incorporated. /licensed by Artists' Rights Society, ARS. New York to honor the artwork of Andy Warhol and the Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing. BRABUS hosted an exclusive event at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart on June 20, 2022. At this press event, various experts presented the two unique pieces and guided the invited guests through a special evening. From June 20 to June 26, 2022, visitors will have the opportunity to examine the originals at the Mercedes-Benz Museum as an absolute premiere. Another encounter of these two rarities is unlikely.